Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
Hello friends, and welcome to today's laundry motivation video. I'm starting here in my laundry room by getting a load of whites going in the washing machine, and then I'm heading to my front entryway because we just got back from a trip, and so I am unloading all of the dirty laundry from the suitcases. We just recently went on a really cute vacation where we went to a fairy tale playhouse that you can stay in. It slept 6 of us and it was super cute. I will show you guys some video footage of that in an upcoming video, but for right now I am just going to unload everything because after a trip it's always nice to just get everything put back into place and get all the dirty clothes washed. Oh, and one other thing I wanted to mention, if you guys want to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, it's at Tammy Ferns. That's my Instagram handle, and I will also have the link below in the description box. You can just click on that, it'll take you right there. But I do post photos and do daily stories over there, so you can check out some photos from our fairy tale cottage trip.
Just to let it go, cut the cable short, and the problem solved might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
Now that I have all of the dirty clothes from our trip sorted out into the appropriate bins, I do like to sort by color, I'm going to vacuum out the suitcases so that they're ready to be put back into storage, and then after that I'm going to clean the front entryway because it did get a little bit dirty with the suitcases and all of our shoes and coats, and this is just kind of a dumping ground for everything when we come in the door, so this is going to get a good clean before I move on to folding more laundry.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try.
I just heard the washing machine beep, so I'm gonna throw over everything into the dryer. In case you were wondering, I did have some people wondering in the past, do I use laundry detergent? Because a lot of times they do not see me put any laundry detergent in, and that is because I have a very special type of machine where it holds about 10 loads worth of laundry detergent and it dispenses it as needed. There's actually a button on here so I can program in exactly how much detergent I want it to use for any specific load. Anyways, I'm gonna move on to taking everything out of the dryer now because we just kind of sped through time there really quick and everything is ready to be folded that was in the dryer. So I'm taking this downstairs to the basement because there is this wonderfully big flat surface and it is perfect for folding clothes on. My parents at the moment are not here, so that's why I'm downstairs. This is my parents' basement apartment. They live with us for 6 months of the year and normally they're here this time, but they were up visiting my niece who just had her baby and he is my parents' very first great grandchild, so that's super exciting. And yeah, I cannot wait to meet my great nephew. We will definitely be making a trip there at some point this summer. Okay, so on to the laundry. I'm folding all of my whites. You might notice that I'm putting all of the big towels to the side, and that's because I want the full surface to be able to fold those the way that I like to fold them, which is a little bit of a different technique, but I have started doing this technique and I love it. It just keeps my towels in place, and I will show you how I do that here in a moment.
You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely.
Now, if you guys have been around my channel and seen some of my previous laundry videos, then you've already seen how I fold my towels. However, in case you're new here, I thought that I would go over the technique one more time. You start by taking a large towel and lying it flat, then taking one of the corners and folding it over to create a triangle. Then from the same side, folding it over again so that there is a triangle on one side. Then you flip it over, fold the flat side up towards the angle side, leaving a small gap because as you roll it up, it's going to bunch up a little bit and you're going to have to pull it forward. So continue rolling all the way and then take the corner and tuck it in, and this will secure it and it will have a really nice design in the towel. It will stay in place, and this looks really pretty if you want to display your towels in your bathroom, and it makes your closet look really nice if you're just leaving your towels in the closet. And I love it because whenever I need to go to the pool or the beach or go out to the hot tub, it's just really easy to grab one of these. I don't generally bring the white towels outside of the house, but I do have striped towels as well, and those ones are more for like the beach and taking to the pool and stuff, and so they're just really easy to pack.
Me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
some more laundry from upstairs in my girls' room that needed to be sorted into the bins. I like to pre-sort everything into lights, mediums, and darks. In fact, there's actually 4 bins here, so the one on the far right is whites and the one on the far left is darks. The middle 2 are mediums. However, I do kind of like a lighter medium and a darker medium, and stuff can be mixed and matched a little bit. If one load is not quite full, then I can take some stuff from the bin that is next to it. However, it is keeping the really light stuff away from the really dark stuff so that the dark stuff isn't making the white stuff get dingy. So now I'm going to move everything over from the washing machine to the dryer so that I can put a new load in, and then we're going to get to folding more laundry. So are you folding laundry along with me today? Let me know in the comments below. I always love to hear what you guys are up to, whether it's folding laundry with my laundry videos or cleaning along with me. I know that a lot of my videos are interchangeable with whatever you're doing, or whether you're working on your home or just relaxing. Anyways, I just love keeping up with you guys and chatting with you in the comments.
I woke up feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. There's magic coursing throughout my veins. I don't want it to stop. I feel invincible in every way. I'ma give it all I got. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night.
So if you look in the top right hand corner of the screen, you might be able to spot my kitty. She's sleeping underneath the plant, and as I'm folding the laundry, I'm being careful about where I'm placing it so that I don't place it on top of her. I had to move the towels over just a little bit so that I could stack a little bit more over there, but she is just napping and hanging out with me. She is not bothered at all by the fact that I am folding laundry right beside her and stacking stuff around her. She's pretty used to me just doing stuff around, and she will sleep through basically everything. If she is not outside sleeping in the sunshine, then she is underneath this plant in our living room taking a nap right here. But she has had a long life, and you know what? She deserves to nap as much as she wants to. She is 19 years old. I looked it up online to see exactly what that would be equivalent to in human years, and that is equivalent to 92 years old. So she is like a super senior citizen, and she is just the sweetest old lady cat ever, and I absolutely love her.
Oh, we're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know anyway. And here we try to understand how it all started to go wrong. But the sea is way too deep, yeah, it's deep.
on to the last load of the day, and I did have a dress in here that I wanted to hang up right away so that it wouldn't wrinkle, so I took that out, and now I'm taking the rest of the laundry downstairs to fold, and I'm going to end this video with a super speed folding just to give you that burst of motivation.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another cause that we can fly with the baseline. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So count to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another cause that we can fly with the baseline. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
So it feels great to get all of the laundry done from our trip, and I just want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you got a load of laundry folded yourself, and I will see you guys in my next one. Take care.